End it. This is a magic square. In order to make a magic square, you have to create a box, which is 5 by 5 in the square. Once you create the box, you start the magic square from the top center row. So write in a number 1. The way this will go, we're going to be going up and over for the entire way. And we'll do some steps to fill in the box. So from 1, you go up and over. There's nothing here, so you come down and you put in a 2. From here, you go up and over and you put in the 3. Now you notice if you go up and over, there's nothing here. So you go up and over and you go to the next box, next row. Up, over, and 5. Now, at this point, you'll notice that if you go up and over, there's already something here. So you simply drop down and you go 6. Up and over, 7. Up and over, 8. Up and over, 9. Up and over, 10. Up and over, there's a box there already, so you drop down 11. Up and over, 12. Up and over, 13. Up and over, 14. Up and over, 15. And you're at the end here. So you drop down to 16. Up and over, 17. Up and over, 18. Up and over, 19. Up and over, 20. There's something already here, so you drop down 21. Up and over, 22. Up and over, 23. Up and over, 24. Up and over, 25. And you're done. And that is the pattern of the first magic square. Now, if you notice, if you add up any column, it starts 1 here, you go 25, 19, 13, 7, and 1, and that equals 65. Okay? Here, 17, 24, 1, 8, and 15. That equals 65. Anywhere you go, 15, 16, 22, 3, and 9 equals 65. Okay? So what you have here is you have a box that anywhere you go, it all equals 65. So you can see, anywhere you go, it equals 65. Now, this would be a good way for you to practice adding things up, because you know the answer is always going to be 65. But you can practice adding up, practice the squares. And of course, anywhere you start, if you start with a 2, then you end up with a different number. So it would give you a different result. So you could practice making magic squares out of any different combinations just by starting with a number in the top row. So you can take that as a beginning point and practice the magic square.